Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Bilntec. Today in this video I am going to guide you that this is Mazda 32391 model, and there is a problem in the steering that when we turn the steering we observe sound and noise. See this, see what happening. This is not working properly. When we turn, this is making a noise. So we will check what is the problem. So friends, this is the steering box, and we are going to open the steering box using the fixed pana of 14 number. This is the steering box, and we will remove this from the car to check it properly. And now friends, after losing the nut bolts, we will detach the tires, both tires. We will detach its tires, turn the steering at extreme left, using these instruments we will proceed the work procedure to open the steering box.
Lock pin.
Very first we will remove the lock pin. If the bolts are rusty, use the kerosene oil, so you can remove easily using the kerosene oil. Using this 17 number instrument, we have successfully removed this steering rod ball joint,
Steering ball joint.
steering ball joint. And now we will detach the left side, the second side of the car. We will detach this front wheel. And in this step
We will, in this step, we will open the above nut bolts.
Now we will open this.